Hello everyone. Today I want to quickly show you FoxyProxy standard. Uh, Mostly if you are working on web application testing, you are surely aware of FoxyProxy standard, which is used for configuring the proxy quickly when you are testing a web app. But there has been a very quick and very interesting update to this add-on, which I wanted to show to you. So first off, you can go to Firefox browser add-ons page and search for FoxyProxy standard and then install it. Once you have installed it, you will see this FoxyProxy add-on thing here. You can do go to options, go to proxies, and then add a new proxy. You can add something like burp, for example. Burp is a HTTP proxy, so you can keep it like this. Hostname will be 127.000.001. Port is 8080. Save. And this will save the proxy for you. Now once this is done, if you click on this FoxyProxy again, you will see burp here. But the latest update has something very interesting. If you set this here, it will set the proxy for all of your tabs in the browser. But now you can actually go and select burp here and say set tab proxy, which will basically set the proxy only for this tab. So currently if I do this, then you can see that the tab proxy is set here, and you can basically go back and unset the proxy here, and it will unset the proxy. But the benefit of doing this is if you are testing a web app which you want to go through burp, and all other sites you don't want to go through burp. For example, while you are testing the app, you want to search something, you can go to google.com, and as you can see that there was no warning or anything because this tab, the proxy is not set, and you can see that the tab proxy doesn't appear here. But if in this tab I want to go to google.com, you will see that I will not be able to go to google.com because proxy is set for this tab. So this is a very useful feature that has been added in FoxyProxy. That's all for this video. Thank you.